Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Pinterest for affiliate marketing. So for this, I will open the Pinterest app. So once the app is open, now here we have this plus icon, click on it. And from here, you can choose if you want to create a pin, collage or board. So I will go with pin and your gallery will open up. So from here, you need to choose an image. Okay, so this is the picture. Once you select the picture or video, then click on next. From here you need to add a title and description. So I will just add a title of kids dresses. You can add a description, like you can add details of the picture here. So a formal collection. Okay, then you need to add a link of that dress. So once people find the picture on their feed, they will click on the link and buy, and once they buy the dress, then you will get paid with the affiliate link. So paste that link here and then click on create, so the pin will be created. In this way you can use Pinterest for affiliate marketing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.